right, the Benton County Quorum Court met tonight to discuss lifting COVID-19 restrictions for local businesses, but members of the court decided not to move forward with that resolution. 5 News reporter Bailey DeBain spoke with local business owners and wraps up what tonight's meeting was all about. Bailey?
That's right. Some members of the court say it's time for businesses to be allowed to put on their own restrictions that are best suited for their business instead of these guidelines being the same across Benton County. But other members of the court say that could cause confusion, and the majority voted against this resolution. Members of the court did not pass the resolution to lift COVID-19 restrictions on businesses. Since the Benton County Quorum Court has no authority to change any laws, the resolution would have only served as a request to Governor Asa Hutchinson. In the resolution, it says small business owners would be able to enforce their own guidelines with capacity limits and operating hours.
Businesses are able to make decisions better for themselves, better than the government. We can balance the care of lives as well as livelihoods.
But other members of the Quorum Court say changing guidelines would only cause confusion to patrons, and those decisions should be left to state legislators.
Visit Bentonville, that represents the hospitality industry in Bentonville. Arguably the worst hit industry is the hospitality industry. Visit Bentonville still says we need to stay the course.
Local business owner Kevin Bennock with the Peddler's Pub says in the past year, he's had to adapt his business through many trials. I asked how he felt about the resolution. He says the pandemic has devastated businesses, but safety is the priority, and he thinks we're getting closer to the finish line.
If you leave it up to each individual bar owner, you're clearly going to have those that do it responsibly, and those that find ways to make it work, and there's going to be others that just don't feel like it's a thing, don't think it's an issue, allow everybody to do what they want.
In Bentonville, covering news where you live, Bailey DeBain, 5 News.
Again, the Quorum Court does not have the authority to lift restrictions, but they say they're trying to address small business concerns.